So United Airlines reported earnings earlier this week, and on the news, we can see on the daily chart, we had a gap and go, and the news was so good that the momentum continued, and it appears that price is going to close above this weekly sellers level at $50. Going to the weekly chart, let's see how that zone was formed. Back in August, we had a drop, two basing candles, and a drop. So we had a leg in, two basing candles, and the leg out. And when price came back to that level, it just dipped its toes at the bottom end of the zone before collapsing roughly $9. But again, momentum is on the side of the bulls, as it appears that price is going to close above the zone, making this zone now invalid. And before we continue with the analysis and see where price is heading next, let's actually look at some of the results. So United Airlines jumped 5% in pre-market Wednesday after reiterating its earnings outlook, despite suffering a $200 million hit from the temporary grounding of Boeing's MAX 9 jets due to regulatory concerns about safety. Now, United, the airline with the largest amount of 737 MAX 9s in its fleet, kept its forecast for full-year adjusted earnings between $9 and $11. The results overall look very encouraging, with revenue and earnings above Citi, free cash flow for the quarter reaching $1.5 billion, and continued solid 2024 guidance, a Citi analyst mentioned. Overall, these results and guide could bring at least some relief to what would be characterized as the oversold situation in United's shares. Now, without the $200 million hit, the company would have reported a quarterly profit. Another metric that's followed in the airline industry is this total revenue per available seat mile. Again, a key performance metric, was up 0.6% in Q1 compared to the first quarter of 2023, indicating the airline is making more revenue from each set of its airlines. So, as a result, based on a positive quarterly earnings, price went from roughly $41 to $51 in the span of a week, which is a huge move for airlines. Question is, where is price heading next? Well, if I look at the monthly chart, I see a rally in price, base and candle, and then a drop. So one can say you have a monthly sell level at $56. And so that's where I would be setting my next target or taking some off the table. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.